Struggling to get your overlays showing up in OBS Studio? You're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix overlays not appearing. So by the end of this video, you'll know the right settings and checks to make sure your alerts, chats, or any on-screen widgets look perfect during your recordings or live streams. Let's dive right into it. The problem usually comes up when you're trying to capture your gameplay and you expect overlays, like donation alerts or chat boxes, to show up on top, but for some reason, they don't. First things first, we want to check the source you're using in OBS Studio. Look at your list of sources in your scene. Find the one labeled Game Capture. You want to double-click on that. It'll open up a Properties window with a bunch of checkboxes and drop-downs. Now, pay special attention to the option called Capture Third-Party Overlays, such as Steam or Discord. If your overlays aren't showing, there's a good chance this option is turned off. Go ahead and check it. What this does is tell OBS to grab not just the game window itself, but also the other graphical elements layered over your game, like notifications, chats, or performance readouts. Think of it like taking a picture of your desk. If you only photograph the desk but not the sticky notes and paper clips on top, you miss half the story. By enabling Capture Third-Party Overlays, you're making sure OBS gets the complete picture, sticky notes and all. If you're sitting there thinking, wait, I don't see this checkbox, don't worry. It's only available when you're using a game capture source. If your scene is using window capture or display capture instead, you won't need to worry about this setting at all. That's because window capture and display capture are a bit more general. They record everything that's visible in that window or on your screen. Imagine them as taking a screenshot of your entire monitor, overlays included, without needing any extra setup. So to recap, if you're using game capture and your overlays aren't popping up, double-click the source and make sure that third-party overlay box is checked. If you're using display capture or window capture and overlays still aren't showing, it may be an issue somewhere else, like the overlay software or browser source itself, but for most people, switching to display capture is a quick fix since it grabs everything. It's also worth mentioning, sometimes OBS needs a quick restart for changes to take effect, especially with overlays. So after adjusting your source settings, don't be afraid to close OBS and reopen it. And if your overlays still aren't showing, try refreshing the overlay source or making sure it's not accidentally hidden or underneath another layer in your scene. Just to reassure you, this process can take a few moments, especially if you're checking different sources. Don't worry if you need to experiment a bit. It's all part of making your stream or recording look just the way you want. All right. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to fix overlays not showing up in OBS Studio, whether you're capturing gameplay, your desktop, or any program windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop me a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward OBS guides and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next broadcast.